Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to invite friends on eToro application. To invite friends to join in eToro using the mobile app is super easy. First of all, open up the eToro application from your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap the three horizontal lines appearing at the top left corner of the screen. In the expanded menu, select Invite Friends. You will then be taken to a next page where you will need to tap on Invite Friends button. Now, select Contacts from your mobile devices or select any other social messaging application and then select the contact you want to invite. Once you choose the contact, click the Send button at the top right corner. You can also copy your unique referral link and share it manually through any messaging platform. To do so, tap on the Copy Link button from the invitation page and go ahead and open up any messaging platform such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and so on, and select a contact that you want to invite. After selecting the contact, go ahead and paste in the link that you copied and send it to the contact. Once they click on your link and join into eToro, you will be able to successfully invite your friends on eToro to join in. After you do that, both you and your friends may receive a bonus if they sign up and meet the eligibility criteria such as making a deposit. So that is how you can easily invite friends on eToro. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.